You shouldn't hold your sneezes. According to a new report, sneezes can produce pressurized air and explode at speeds up to 150 miles per hour. There's a case of a 34-year-old who suffered a neck injury by holding in a forceful sneeze. The force of the squelched sneeze sent air and matter crashing into the back of his throat. He didn't need surgery, but he did have to go to the hospital for 2 weeks.
So let it out, is what they're saying.
I'm so bad about that.
I am
always
too.
try and keep my sneezes. I just feel like I'm being sanitary.
Right.
By not
But
sneezing
you may
out.
cause harm.
Because if you think about it, then you're sending out germs at 150 miles per hour, and a lot of people don't properly cover their mouths.
Yeah.